Dear children of class 3, I am going to teach computer subject your first chapter. Let us understand what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine which works on electricity. It is similar to the machine used at our homes, refrigerator, television, washing machine, calculator, iron are machines. Just like computer is a machine. Characteristics of machines. Machines have some common characteristics. They need fuel or electricity to run. They never get tired. They do not have any feelings. They give correct result. Computer also run on electricity and helps us in doing many types of work. Therefore, it is also a machine. A computer is a smart machine as it can do multiple tasks at a time without getting tired or bored. Why is computer a machine? First, it runs on electricity. Second, it helps us in doing calculation. Third, it never makes mistakes. Fourth, it never gets tired. Fifth, we can watch movies, videos and listen to songs in computer. Now you understand parts of a computer. As our body has different parts, similarly there are different parts of computer. Each device is having a different function, and depending upon its function we can divide it into two types of devices: input devices and output devices. Input devices, they are used to give data and instruction to the computer. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, CD-ROM and microphone. Output devices, they are used to display the result or output of the work done. Output devices are monitor, printer, CD-ROM and a speaker. Let us see how does a computer work. To do any work on computer, we have to following these three steps. First step, input. Second step, process. Third step, output. This is called IPO. I for input, P for process, O for output. Let us understand input, process and output circle with the help of our daily life example. Making juice is an example of input, process and output. Oranges are input. Making juice with the help of juicer mixer is process and juice is output. What is input? Input is a way of communication with computer. We can enter input through input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, etc. What is process? Processing means working on the data according to the given instruction. CPU process the data. What is output? The output is information or final result. We can see output on output devices. Some of the output devices are monitor, printer, a speaker, etc. Now you complete this question saw on your video. Thank you.